I'm Jay Kim, CEO of ReCarbon. I grew up in Korea and I came to Stanford in 1990. I learned about plasma at Stanford and NASA. I began to think how we could apply plasma technology to dissociate CO2. The climate change is happening. I thought that that shouldn't be our legacy to our future generations. So that's why I started ReCarbon in 2011 to restore the Earth.
So I'm Hatem Harraz. I'm originally from Egypt. I was always working before I came to United States in oil and gas, and had this dream to come to United States and do my PhD in renewable energy.
My name's Lexi Hasbani. I'm a chemical engineer at ReCarbon. My passion is really to look for different ways that we can utilize energy.
My name is Paul Hichwa. I'm a mechanical engineer on the research and development team here at ReCarbon. ReCarbon's mission, the vision that Jay has set out for us, wanting to bring technology forward that takes waste and turns it into something valuable. I think the world needs more of that.
So this is our emission blade. This is ReCarbon's fundamental technology. It's modular, so we can scale up and have multiple emission blades. That way we can meet many different applications.
So what ReCarbon's technology does is the converting greenhouse gases, mainly carbon dioxide and methane, into green syngas, which is the mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. And from that syngas, you can make many different fuels, chemicals, and materials, including ethanol, sustainable aviation fuel, methanol, ammonia, and hydrogen.
It's some really cool technology. I've never been able to see what we're doing here with plasma. That is a whole different approach to converting molecules and generating energy. It makes it a lot more sleek, a lot more robust. We have a lot of great minds coming together to come up with a really good product.
And by converting the CO2, if the source of the gas is renewable, you are actually making a recyclable fuel. ReCarbon has the major potential to provide a very disruptive technology in the market.
You gotta be visionary about the future, but at the same time, you gotta have a plan how you will get there. I'm very certain that ReCarbon can deliver solutions to make this world better and cleaner.